Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Babbel app. You click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of Babbel app and you click here in this page of app info. You will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you.